He is eating an apple. He is eating an apple. She is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. The baby is crying loudly. The baby is crying loudly. The dog is barking outside. The dog is barking outside. She is cooking delicious food. She is cooking delicious food. He is reading a newspaper. He is reading a newspaper. The boy is playing in the garden. The boy is playing in the garden. She is dancing gracefully. She is dancing gracefully. The teacher is explaining the lesson. The teacher is explaining the lesson. He is driving a car. He is driving a car. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. She is painting a beautiful picture. She is painting a beautiful picture. The baby is laughing joyfully. The baby is laughing joyfully. He is fixing the broken chair. He is fixing the broken chair. She is listening to music. She is listening to music. The bird is flying in the sky. The bird is flying in the sky. He is talking on the phone. He is talking on the phone. She is wearing a red dress. She is wearing a red dress. The child is drawing a picture. The child is drawing a picture. He is watering the plants. He is watering the plants. She is opening the window. She is opening the window. The chef is preparing the meal. The chef is preparing the meal. He is playing the guitar. He is playing the guitar. She is teaching the students. She is teaching the students. The clock is ticking softly. The clock is ticking softly. He is cleaning the house. He is cleaning the house. The sun is setting behind the hills. The sun is setting behind the hills. She is cutting vegetables. She is cutting vegetables. He is repairing the car. He is repairing the car. The baby is crawling on the floor. The baby is crawling on the floor. The man is standing near the door. The man is standing near the door. She is typing on the computer. She is typing on the computer. He is singing a song. He is singing a song. The train is moving fast. The train is moving fast. She is folding the clothes. She is folding the clothes. The waiter is serving food. The waiter is serving food. He is brushing his teeth. He is brushing his teeth. The child is drinking milk. The child is drinking milk. She is planting flowers in the garden. She is planting flowers in the garden. He is sharpening the pencil. He is sharpening the pencil. The actor is performing on the stage. The actor is performing on the stage. She is feeding the baby. She is feeding the baby. The dog is chasing a ball. The dog is chasing a ball. He is opening the door. He is opening the door. She is ironing the clothes. She is ironing the clothes. The man is waiting for the bus. The man is waiting for the bus. The boy is jumping on the bed. The boy is jumping on the bed. She is arranging the books on the shelf. She is arranging the books on the shelf. He is walking to the store. He is walking to the store. The girl is skipping rope. The girl is skipping rope. She is pouring water into a glass. She is pouring water into a glass. The boy is fishing by the river. The boy is fishing by the river. He is polishing his shoes. He is polishing his shoes. The woman is knitting a sweater. The woman is knitting a sweater. She is combing her hair. She is combing her hair. The farmer is plowing the field. The farmer is plowing the field. He is locking the gate. He is locking the gate. The artist is sketching a portrait. The artist is sketching a portrait. She is shopping for groceries. She is shopping for groceries. The man is shaving his beard. The man is shaving his beard. The girl is baking a cake. The girl is baking a cake. He is pulling a heavy cart. He is pulling a heavy cart. She is lighting a candle. She is lighting a candle. The child is playing with toys. The child is playing with toys. He is searching for his keys. He is searching for his keys. The woman is sipping tea. The woman is sipping tea. She is peeling an orange. She is peeling an orange. The boy is climbing a tree. The boy is climbing a tree. He is mending his shirt. He is mending his shirt. The nurse is checking the patient. The nurse is checking the patient. She is tying her shoelaces. She is tying her shoelaces. The girl is humming a tune. The girl is humming a tune. He is carrying a heavy bag. He is carrying a heavy bag. The child is blowing bubbles. The child is blowing bubbles. She is stirring the soup. She is stirring the soup. The man is reading a map. The man is reading a map. He is pulling weeds from the garden. He is pulling weeds from the garden. She is arranging flowers in a vase. She is arranging flowers in a vase. The child is jumping into the pool. The child is jumping into the pool. He is washing his hands. He is washing his hands. The girl is reading a storybook. The girl is reading a storybook. She is washing the dishes. She is washing the dishes. The man is painting the wall. The man is painting the wall. He is cleaning his glasses. He is cleaning his glasses. She is feeding the birds. She is feeding the birds. The boy is chasing a butterfly. The boy is chasing a butterfly. He is sewing a button on his shirt. He is sewing a button on his shirt. The child is blowing out candles. The child is blowing out candles. She is wiping the table. She is wiping the table. The man is climbing a ladder. The man is climbing a ladder. He is packing his suitcase. He is packing his suitcase. The girl is decorating the cake. The girl is decorating the cake. She is spreading butter on the bread. She is spreading butter on the bread. The boy is throwing a ball. The boy is throwing a ball. He is jumping over a hurdle. He is jumping over a hurdle. The woman is feeding her cat. The woman is feeding her cat. She is dusting the furniture. She is dusting the furniture. The man is fishing in the lake. The man is fishing in the lake. He is writing a poem. He is writing a poem. She is practicing yoga. She is practicing yoga.